Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can transform your smile and boost your confidence. So, what is a smile makeover? Let's dive right in. A smile makeover is a comprehensive dental procedure that can dramatically enhance the appearance of your teeth and gums, as well as improve your dental health. It involves a personalized combination of restorative and cosmetic dental treatments tailored to your specific needs. Through a smile makeover, you can address a range of dental issues. Here are some common problems that a smile makeover can fix. 1. Stained or discolored teeth. 2. Short, worn, or chipped teeth. 3. Crooked or misaligned teeth. 4. Gaps between teeth. 5. Gum issues. By addressing these concerns, a smile makeover not only enhances the aesthetics of your teeth but can also improve the appearance of your lips. You see, an uneven smile can be caused by misshapen, rotated, or malpositioned teeth, which affects the amount of lip support. By improving the underlying structure of your teeth, a smile makeover can give you a harmonious and balanced smile. Now, it's important to understand the difference between a smile makeover and full mouth reconstruction. While they may sound similar, they have distinct purposes. Full mouth reconstruction is recommended for patients with severe dental damage or a significant number of missing teeth. It involves a series of interdisciplinary procedures to improve both the function and appearance of the smile. On the other hand, a smile makeover focuses more on enhancing the aesthetics of healthy teeth through cosmetic dentistry procedures. So, what can you expect during a smile makeover? Well, the specific procedures will depend on your unique needs and goals. Some common treatments include braces, teeth whitening, porcelain veneers, and gum reshaping, in different combinations and sequences. Remember, the ultimate decision on which dental makeover option is best for you should be made in consultation with an experienced dental professional who can assess your specific concerns and provide personalized recommendations. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of a smile makeover. Pros: a smile makeover can give you a beautiful smile with bright, straight, and well-proportioned teeth. It can also significantly boost your confidence, as many individuals have reported a positive impact on their lives after undergoing a smile makeover. Cons: it's important to note that a full smile makeover treatment plan may take few weeks to several months to complete. Additionally, smile makeovers may require multiple appointments with different dental experts, and certain procedures may not be covered by insurance. It's essential to consider these factors and discuss the potential risks with your dentist. Speaking of costs, the price of a smile makeover can vary widely depending on the specific procedures involved. Remember, it's best to consult with your dentist to get an accurate estimate based on your individual needs. In conclusion, a smile makeover is a comprehensive dental procedure that can transform your smile and improve your overall oral health. By addressing various dental issues through personalized treatments, you can achieve a beautiful, confident smile. If you're considering a smile makeover, make sure to consult with an experienced dental professional who can guide you through the process and recommend the best treatment plan for you. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more dental tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.